In today's video, I am going to teach you how to move stop loss on Pepperstone. Start by making sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are on the main trading screen, go to the Positions tab at the bottom of the platform. This is where you can see all of your currently open trades. In the Positions tab, look through the list and find the open position where you want to change the stop loss. Take a moment to confirm that you have selected the correct trade. This is important because any changes you make will apply only to that specific open position. After you find the trade, right-click on that open position. A menu will appear with several options related to the trade. From that menu, select Modify Position. This will open the Modify Position window, where you can update the protection settings for the trade. Inside the Modify Position window, find the Stop Loss field. This is the area where you can enter a new stop loss level for the position. You can type in the exact price that you want to use, or you can adjust the value using the controls provided in the platform. Choose the method that is most convenient for you, and make sure the new level matches the trade setup you want. Once you have entered the new stop loss price, review the updated stop loss level carefully. Make sure the value is correct before applying the change. A small mistake in the price can place the stop loss at the wrong level, so it is worth checking it one more time. When everything looks correct, click Protect to apply the new stop loss to the open position. The platform will then process the update. Give it a moment to complete the change. After that, return your attention to the Positions tab and verify that the new stop loss level is now displayed for that open trade. This confirms that the modification was successfully applied and that your position is now protected at the new level you selected. That is the full process for moving a stop loss on Pepperstone using Trader. Once you know where to find the position and how to open the modification window, the update only takes a few seconds. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.